Hello Rohan, welcome to day 11 of our coaching. Today we are going to learn about the auxiliary verb would. In English, we use would to talk about polite offers, preferences और imaginary situations. हिंदी में कहें तो जब हम किसी से विनम्रता से बात करते हैं या किसी ऐसी चीज की कल्पना करते हैं जो हो सकती है, तब would का प्रयोग होता है. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, ma'am.
Would you drink some water?
Yes, I would, ma'am.
Would you join the class tomorrow?
Yes, I would, ma'am.
Would you help your friend?
Yes, I would, ma'am.
Would you watch a movie today?
Yes, I would, ma'am.
Would you try this new dish?
Yes, I would, ma'am.
Level 2, the 15 verb drill. 1. Purchase. Would you purchase this expensive watch?
Yes, I would purchase this expensive watch, madam.
Would you not purchase this expensive watch?
No, I would not purchase this expensive watch, madam.
2. Organize. Would you organize a meeting for us?
Yes, I would organize a meeting for us, madam.
Would you not organize a meeting for us?
No, I would not organize a meeting for us, madam.
3. Decorate. Would you decorate the hall for the party?
Yes, I would decorate the hall for the party, madam.
Would you not decorate the hall for the party?
No, I would not decorate the hall for the party, madam.
4. Invite. Would you invite your neighbors to the dinner?
Yes, I would invite my neighbors to the dinner, madam.
Would you not invite your neighbors to the dinner?
No, I would not invite my neighbors to the dinner, madam.
5. Prepare. Would you prepare the project report by tonight?
Yes, I would prepare the project report by tonight, madam.
Would you not prepare the project report by tonight?
No, I would not prepare the project report by tonight, madam.
6. Celebrate. Would you celebrate your birthday in a grand way?
Yes, I would celebrate my birthday in a grand way, madam.
Would you not celebrate your birthday in a grand way?
No, I would not celebrate my birthday in a grand way, madam.
7. Donate. Would you donate some money to the charity?
Yes, I would donate some money to the charity, madam.
Would you not donate some money to the charity?
No, I would not donate some money to the charity, madam.
8. Travel. Would you travel to Japan next year?
Yes, I would travel to Japan next year, madam.
Would you not travel to Japan next year?
No, I would not travel to Japan next year, madam.
9. Practice. Would you practice English every morning?
Yes, I would practice English every morning, madam.
Would you not practice English every morning?
No, I would not practice English every morning, madam.
10. Support. Would you support my decision?
Yes, I would support your decision, madam.
Would you not support my decision?
No, I would not support your decision, madam.
11. Explain. Would you explain this topic again?
Yes, I would explain this topic again, madam.
Would you not explain this topic again?
No, I would not explain this topic again, madam.
12. Manage. Would you manage the events on your own?
Yes, I would manage the events on my own, madam.
Would you not manage the events on your own?
No, I would not manage the events on my own, madam.
13. Improve. Would you improve your communication skills?
Yes, I would improve my communication skills, madam.
Would you not improve your communication skills?
No, I would not improve my communication skills, madam.
14. Consider. Would you consider this job offer?
Yes, I would consider this job offer, madam.
Would you not consider this job offer?
No, I would not consider this job offer, madam.
15. Achieve. Would you achieve your targets this month?
Yes, I would achieve my targets this month, madam.
Would you not achieve your targets this month?
No, I would not achieve my targets this month, madam.
Level 3. Simple story mode. Rohan, let us imagine you have a free weekend. Where would you go?
Madam, I would go to the mountains for a short trip.
That sounds lovely. Who would you go with?
I would go with my family, madam.
Would you stay in a hotel or a tent?
I think I would stay in a small hotel to be comfortable.
What would you eat there?
I would eat local food and drink hot tea.
Would you take many photos?
Yes, I would take hundreds of photos, madam.
Level 4. Vocabulary integration. Enthusiastic. Would you be enthusiastic about learning new software?
Yes, I would be very enthusiastic about it, madam.
Opportunity. Would you take the opportunity to work abroad?
Yes, I would definitely take that opportunity, madam.
Professional. Would you behave in a professional manner during the interview?
Yes, I would always be professional, madam.
Comfortable. Would you feel comfortable speaking in front of a crowd?
Yes, I would feel comfortable after some practice, madam.
Success. Would you share your success with your parents?
Yes, I would certainly share my success with them, madam.
Excellent work today, Rohan. You have mastered the use of would. Practice these sentences at home. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, madam. Goodbye.